Lord brought to me 2 of every kind of matter. And there's only about 50 kinds of what you call dinosaurs. So I only needed around 100 of them. Oh, I know what you're thinking. But dinosaurs are so huge. Well, the average-sized dinosaur would only come up to about waist high, and some are as small as chickens. Besides, God didn't have to bring full-grown adults. Young dinosaurs are easier to handle. They eat less, and they live longer to reproduce after they flood. Very good question. Anything else?